Dancing to the language beat. Mastering dance to the music. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the rhythmic world of English phrases, focusing on dance to the music. This phrase is not just about moving your feet. It's a vibrant expression with layers of meaning. Whether you're a language learner or a curious mind, understanding these phrases can add color to your English communication. Let's explore together. Dance to the music literally means moving your body rhythmically to musical sounds. Imagine being at a party or a concert where a catchy tune starts playing, and you find yourself swaying, jumping, or performing any series of movements that match the beat. This physical interpretation is the most direct understanding of the phrase, highlighting the universal joy of responding to music through dance. Beyond the literal, dance to the music can also take on a figurative meaning, symbolizing conformity or adherence to the prevailing trends, opinions, or directions. Just as a dancer moves in response to music, this phrase can suggest that an individual or group is following the dominant cues or instructions in a given situation, sometimes without question. It's akin to saying, "When in Rome, do as the Romans do," where the music represents societal norms or expectations. Understanding when and how to use dance to the music can enrich your conversational skills. In its literal sense, it can be a light-hearted invitation to join in on a fun activity. For example, "Come on, don't be shy, dance to the music and enjoy yourself." In a more metaphorical context, it might be used to comment on someone's behavior, as in, "He always dances to the music at work," never challenging the boss's decisions. The phrase, "dance to the music," also resonates through various cultural references, most notably in music and literature. It can evoke images of freedom, joy, and sometimes conformity, depending on the context. Recognizing these references can deepen your appreciation of English language media and the nuanced ways language and culture interact. Understanding the phrase, "dance to the music," opens up a world of expression, from the joy of literally moving with a beat to the more complex dance of navigating societal expectations. We hope this exploration has enriched your understanding and appreciation of English phrases. Keep dancing to the language beat, and see where it takes you. Thanks for joining us, and happy learning!